Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a VPN onto your Google TV. So the first thing you'll need to do is scroll across to app, and then we can come down here and you can write the name of your VPN in, or we can just write VPN and we'll see what comes up. So you can see in here there's a bunch of popular VPNs you can pick from, or if you've already purchased one, you would pick the one you've purchased. If you do need a recommendation, I have used IPVanish before. It's a very good service. I used it for a very long time, but recently I've moved over to using Hotspot Shield. The only reason I've swapped over to this one is because I get it free with another product, but this is also a really good one. I'll link both of them in the description below if you wanted to check them out. So you would click on to the VPN service that you have purchased and then click on install. If you haven't already purchased a VPN, the best way to do it would be go to their website on your phone or on a computer. Okay, so now that's installed, we can click open here, or if I just hit the home button, I'll show you now where it is. Just go to your apps and then see all, and we can see Hotspot Shield is right here. If we click and hold the small middle round button, we can go move, and we can move it up into the list, so you don't have to always come into this menu to see it. And then we can hit the back button and we can see now it's here. So we'll click on Hotspot Shield. Okay, so I already have Hotspot Shield logged in on my phone, so I'm just going to scan the QR code to log me in. A lot of the other ones will just come up with like your email address and password to log you in, so just log yourself in. Okay, so now I have logged in, and a lot of these VPNs are all the same. The interface might just look a little bit different, but pretty much there's a big on off button on this one. So you can choose a location down the bottom. You can have it set to auto, or you can pick a country that you want to connect to. So for this demonstration, we can just keep it on auto. So I'll just turn the VPN on. It is a trusted source. Okay. So our VPN is now connected, and then we can just hit the home button on the remote to get out of that. And then if you want to just check that it's connected, you can just navigate over here to the settings and you can see VPN is connected. And if you wanted to disconnect, you could go back to the app, or you can just click on this and go across to disconnect. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description below and I'll try help you out. If this video was helpful for you, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.